Hi guys, so just a quick tutorial for you today on how to install an app onto an Android phone. So as you can see here up in the corner I have my Play Store. This is where you get access to all of your apps and games. So what you want to do is you want to click on the App Store. We'll open up this screen here. You then want to click on your search bar and type in what it is that you're looking for. Today for example we're going to look for the COVID Safe app. So you type in what you're looking for. Then you want to hit the search button in the bottom right here. As you can see, this has brought up the COVID Safe app straight away, and it has next to it an install button. Now if this is a paid app, it will have the dollar amount next to it. From that point you will click and put in your payment information, but because this is a free app, all we have to do is hit this install button here. As you can see, that's downloaded and installed pretty quickly. So once that's finished, you can open it up straight from here by tapping on the open button next to it. As you can see, this has brought our app straight up and given us exactly what we're after. So if we return to the home screen, you can now see that the COVID Safe app icon is on your home screen. From here you can also launch the app. As you can see, straight into it. You can also move it around by holding your finger down on it and dragging it around the screen.
Thank you very much for joining us today. I do hope that you were able to learn a little something, and I do hope that you will join us for some of our future videos. Thank you.